In this video, you're going to learn a phrase that allows you to speak to a student's ability to learn and grow. Specifically, you'll learn how to say, "You can learn anything." This is a phrase you can use when students have just accomplished something and are feeling proud, and it is also a phrase you can use when students are in the thick of a challenging task and are learning something new. Again, you can learn anything. There are going to be three parts to how we learn how to say this phrase. Starting with you can, that translates to puedes. This is specific to speaking to a student. You might not say this in the same way to, well, a parent or caregiver, even though that is probably not a phrase you would learn with them. The pronunciation of puedes can sometimes throw people off. Think of it as a PWE, puedes. That's you can. Learn is aprender. That's another mouthful, so let's take a closer look at that. Here you can see the syllables, aprender. If we scoop it, it would sound like aprender. So far we have puedes aprender, you can learn. And now to say anything, we actually need two separate words. So let's take them one at a time. The first one is cualquier. This is the word that expresses the any part of anything. Cualquier. And this again can be a tricky translation because the written form looks so different than what we would expect it to sound like as English speakers. So you can look at the phonetic breakdown below, but we can also break it down like we did aprender. So these aren't quite the syllables, but it's a useful chunking. So we have cual, qui, er. And if we scoop it, it will sound like cual, cualqui, cualquier. And then cosa is the part that means thing in anything. That one is the easiest word of all of them to pronounce. So here we have, puedes aprender cualquier cosa. Or more quickly, puedes aprender cualquier cosa. If you want more information about Spanish classes for educators, you can go to togetherlanguage.com/Spanish. Buena suerte. Good luck.